Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do flashcards to study. First, focus on creating effective cards. On one side, write a clear, concise question or prompt. On the other, provide a brief, accurate answer. Consider adding relevant images or diagrams to your cards. Visual cues can significantly boost memory recall. Keep your information focused to ensure each card targets a specific piece of knowledge for better retention. Once your flashcards are ready, it's time to use them effectively. Engage in active recall by trying to answer each card before flipping it over. This strengthens your memory pathways. Next, apply spaced repetition. Review cards at increasing intervals to solidify long-term retention. Prioritize your study time by reviewing challenging cards more often than those you consistently get right. To maximize your flashcard potential, break down large, complex topics into several smaller, focused cards. This makes learning less overwhelming and more efficient. Don't rely solely on flashcards. Integrate them with other study techniques like summarizing notes or teaching the material to someone else. Consistent self-testing with your cards helps pinpoint areas needing more attention, ensuring comprehensive understanding. Consider using digital flashcard applications, which often include built-in spaced repetition algorithms and allow for easy organization and tracking of your progress. Make flashcard sessions a consistent part of your daily study routine, even if it's just for 10 or 15 minutes. Regular, short bursts of review are incredibly effective for long-term memory. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals to help you stay organized and focused.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.